Hi guys, hope you're having a good time. I'm Idris from Photocommune. Today we'll review a microphone, Synco S8. Synco claims that this microphone can give you broadcast sound quality. So let's test this in different conditions and figure out how good it is. मगर ये हो ना सका और अब ये आलम है कि तू नहीं, तेरा गम, तेरी जुस्तजू भी नहीं। गुजर रही है कुछ इस तरह से ज़िंदगी जैसे इसे किसी के सहारे की आरज़ू भी नहीं। ना कोई राह, ना मंजिल, ना रोशनी का सुराग। मगर ये हो न सका और अब ये आलम है कि तू नहीं, तेरा गम, तेरी जुस्तजू भी नहीं। गुजर रही है कुछ इस तरह से ज़िंदगी ऐसे इसे किसी के सहारे की आरज़ू भी नहीं। ना कोई राह, ना मंजिल, ना रोशनी का सुराग। We just share two sound samples with you, shot at the same place, and you can easily make out that the one shot with S8 had more clear human voice. And apart from this, we also have few more takeaways which I would like to share it with you. Number one, auto identification system. It simply means that the moment you plug S8 in, it will identify the system or equipment you are using. Phone, camera, tablet, laptop, and believe me, it comes very handy because in my previous microphone, sometimes we forgot to toggle the switch, and in this you don't have to worry at all about that. The moment you plug in, it will detect whatever system you are using. Apart from that, it also has a small indication which tells that the microphone is working and recording is on. So that is also quite good. Number two, upgraded noise reduction. As you saw it in the sample, it was focusing on human voice. In fact, Synco claims that it has been designed to keep human voice in focus. So anything below 70 Hertz will get reduced and the focus will be, of course, on human voice. So it comes very handy when you're shooting in in a marketplace or a bazaar or place where the other activities are happening around you. So you can test this microphone in that particular situation. I think it comes quite good and quite handy in that situation. Number three, weight and wire length. It's quite light, believe me, it's very easy to carry, and length. Most of the microphones in this segment, we did a lot of research when I bought mine, so they are about 6 meters long. This particular is 8 meters, so that 2 meter comes quite handy if you are into vlogging or interviews and recording. So you would know that 2 meter means a lot. So these are some I would say pros. Cons, I can't say it's a con, but it is something sort of a warning that you should always carry a battery, extra battery with you. Although it comes with about 800 hours of recording, which is huge, but whenever you are on assignment, it's always good to carry extra battery because these are button batteries, so they are not batteries which are available on every shop easily. So this is a piece of advice from Photocommune and me. So rest of thing for if you are a photographer or videographer based in Delhi NCR, you can borrow mine because I'm definitely adding this to my kitty, so you can borrow it, test for yourself. So thanks for watching, and we would like to hear back from you. Thank you so much.